Hey, Sega Bieber! It's Thunder Crisco the Hedgehog here, buddy for nights. How's it going, guys? Yes, I'm here. So, before I show you this drawing, I'm going to show you guys a little bit first. YouTube sent me something and he asked me to congratulations to me. Look at that. It says thanks. And I guess I have to say, you're welcome. So, yeah. Now let's go to drawing board. Okay? Let's go. Okay. So, how's it going, guys? And now we're here to draw. Surprise for another YouTube friend. I got an amazing symbol for him. Look at that. Look at that. I made a symbol for him. Mean guys below. Do you know him? Do you recognize him? In case you didn't know, guys, I got 500 subscribers. Thanks to you guys. I see one person unsubscribe me. But it doesn't matter. So, yeah. So, please, guys. It's this. I hope this guy accept this gift. For real. Please accept this gift, my friend. I don't know you will like it or you do. But please, I hope you love it. Because I worked so hard this drawing and I made it myself. So please, accept this gift. Please. 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 So look at that. Orange and green eyes. And you can tell right here, I draw how his eyes, black, green eyes, and you know what I mean? So please, this gift. Look at that. It's beautiful. I just kiss my own drawing. Look at this. I just kiss it again because I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I'm so crazy right now. I'm hyper, guys. Please accept this gift. I mean, don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. Please accept this gift. I'm so weird, am I? Also, Hobito is awesome. Please subscribe him as well. I'm going to show you guys his YouTube channel. See, his video is awesome. I don't know how he do that, but I, you know what I'm going to say to you. See, look. This is a character. How he do that? I mean, I know what is that thing. It's just, you know, I wanted to do that as well. But I try and I suck. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe him. So please. And don't forget to subscribe me because I almost got, I already got 500 subscribers. And I hope I get to get new subscribers. I getting famous and I got 500 subscribers before and I worked so hard and I won't give up until I say so, guys. So please, accept this drawing. Well, anyway, guys, that's it. And I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys love it. And please, again, accept this gift. Accept this gift. I'll slap myself. I'll punch myself. I will squeeze my nose. And I will grab the, you know what, no. Just kidding. Anyway, seriously though, please assist this gift, man. Because I hope you will get a lot of subscribers Sunday. Sorry, I got allergies, hold on. Okay, that's better, hold on. I got allergies, guys. So seriously though, please, I hope you guys love it and I hope you guys like it. And please subscribe him and subscribe me, guys. Because one person unsubscribe me. You know I work so hard, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and press the bell. That way you won't miss my video. That way. Oh my god, my allergies. Hold on. I hate allergies. What I'm about to say is, don't forget to like, comment, and press the bell. That way you won't miss my video. And don't forget to share your friends. And don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe me. Because I can try you guys as well. So goodbye, Sega people. Boom, matcha, boom, matcha, boom, boom, matcha, boom, matcha, boom, boom, matcha, boom, matcha, boom. Oh, also, I'm going to upload the another video tomorrow. It's of the funny video. So please don't miss it, guys. You're going to love it. I mean, love it. So please assist this gift, my friend. So goodbye, Sega people. Boom, matcha, boom, matcha, boom, boom, matcha, boom, matcha, boom, boom, matcha, boom, matcha, boom. Goodbye, Sega people. Goodbye.